Now that your end wall track for girt attachment has been installed, it's time to install your upper end wall girts. The upper end wall girts will attach at two locations. One end at the end wall post, and the other end attaches to the end wall track under the purlins. Your girts are spaced vertically 2 feet 0 inches from girt to girt. When installing a girt into the end wall track, measure from the last girt installed up to the track. Adjust to the right or left until your 2 foot 0 inch dimension lands at the top of the track, and make a mark. Then, measure from the center line of the end wall column over to this mark. This will be the required length of girt you will need. This should also be reflected on your W drawings, but is always good practice to double-check the necessary dimensions. Cut your end wall girt as needed before attaching to the pre-welded tab on your end wall column. Attach using 2 number 12 Tech screws through the girt and into the tab. The other end of your girt should nest inside the end wall track. Install this end of the girt using 2 number 12 Tech screws through the top of the end wall track and into the lip of the girt as demonstrated here. Repeat this process for the opposite side. As you get closer to the top, you may only need a single girt running end wall track to end wall track, as shown here. In some instances, you will need to install an end wall post extension track to allow girts to be installed on the required 2 foot 0 inch center-to-center dimension. Please refer to the end wall column extension video for more details. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.